If you're considering selling your home, you may have heard the term pocket listing and wonder, is a pocket listing right for me? That's the focus of this week's episode of Selling with Shannon. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty in Long Beach, California. So first, let's start off with what is a pocket listing? It's simply an off-market listing. So the agent meets with the seller, establishes a price, and then the seller doesn't actually want the home to be on the open market. And so the realtor essentially puts it in their pocket, right? But it simply means that the home is not marketed to the general public. So let's talk about what are the benefits of that and what are the drawbacks. The benefit is you don't have a sign in front of your home. Your neighbors don't necessarily know that you're selling. You won't have as many showings. You won't have open houses. So if you want to keep the wholesaling process private, that may seem like an appealing idea to have a pocket listing. But what's the drawback? The drawback is that your home won't be exposed to as many potential home buyers, and particularly when the listing inventory is as low as it is, having more people know about your home is definitely to your advantage. You're able to leverage the interest of buyers when your home is effectively marketed. So if you do have a real estate agent who has some potential buyers for the home and they're willing to pay a price that works for you, it can make sense to sell your home as a pocket listing, particularly if the agent is well connected to other agents in the area, because then in addition to their buyers, they may be able to network with other agents who have buyers. But generally, having full market exposure is going to benefit you as a home seller. If you have any questions about the home selling process, let us know. I'll make sure that we include a link so you can schedule a time to chat. You can also visit our website at Show Me Home to find out the value of your home. And if you found this information helpful, be sure to check out the other videos in our Selling with Shannon series and consider subscribing to us on YouTube or following us on social media. Thanks a lot.